So one common thing you're going to have when you're taking shelves down is the times with the little nail, you right there, the head of the nail broke off. Now on a wall like this that's textured and painted, if you were going to be using a claw hammer, traditional hammer, and you're going to grab that nail and you're going to bend, you could damage the paint and such, which is not cool. So you use your claw hammer, you catch it, and then you pull, and all that forces on the head pops off. This is why having the locking pliers, and they go by many names out there, but this is a Milwaukee, one of their locking pliers. But why they're so nice? Why regular pliers won't work as well? First off, if you take a look at the jaw kind of comes down to a little bit of a point here at the end, and some regular pliers don't come down quite as much. And this also has the ability to go and lock, it comes together, and then it snaps in. So it's really holding it. There isn't the force of my hand squeezing that makes it hold, it's the actual locking of the plier itself on that nail. So I can go, I'm gonna get it a little bit tighter than that. So now the pliers themselves are holding onto that nail. So I don't have to be squeezing, I can just grab onto it and work and pull it out just like that. I couldn't do that with the regular pliers because I would have to have so much force squeezing to hold the nail that it probably would have been something that it would have popped off a couple of times. I would have gotten frustrated and it wouldn't have worked as well. So locking pliers, and if you've never used locking pliers before, there's a couple of pieces with this. To release it after it's locked is you just squeeze the little handle here and it pops it off. This is the spot, and again, this might not look the same, it might be just a head, but this is how you would turn it to tighten it or to loosen it on your nail. And then of course, once it's on that nail, it's locked on and it's ready to go. We'll put a link in the description to show you a couple of different options, but the Milwaukee's got a really cool set that you can pick up from Home Depot. Otherwise, if you just need one here, one there, I've got the link for those down in the description below.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.